Jump on the boat, jump on the boat. We're gonna move Scott's houseboat today. It's only a couple miles up the river, but he actually built this one out of an old pontoon boat. Got the whole gang here. So we're just waiting for everybody to show up, and then we'll get underway. All right, we're launching boats now. I'm on Gordon's boat. This thing's sweet. It's a little dirty, but that's all right. Got a bunch of help today, which is always good in case the boat breaks down or somebody's got to leave. You just want more help than you need, you know. Ethan, could you hurry up?
Yes. I'm getting there.
Were you looking for a snack? Oh yeah. Now we gotta figure out where to park all these boats. Put all these stinking rocks out here. Is that a new prop?
Yep. Yeah. And I bet that one the first time I used it.
Oh no. I'm just messing with you.
Alright.
Yeah, cut it hard. There you go. I'll keep coming back. I'll square it up. Alright, so it's getting hung up on the trailer. We don't want to back the truck all the way in the water, so Scott was going to jump in, try and pick it up, and they'll try and pull it off the back there.
You're free.
All right, pull up, Ethan. Slow, slow, slow.
I was on
surfing. Ride it, buddy.
You're free.
Now he's surfing. Ride it, buddy.
Ready? Yeah.
It's slippery. There it is.
Looks like it's floating good. It's doing what they want. So I'm gonna jump on my boat and try and help them out. All right, we got it in the water now. Gotta tidy these ropes up and then help Scott ease it up the river. It looks like he's got it under control pretty good, but there's a bad spot up here in the river where the current picks up. There we go.
Huh? No. This is going to be the speed the whole time. Oh, well, I thought about somebody tying to a rope to it, but I don't know if that would really keep it tight to keep it from swaying, but somebody may have to just hook up to the side and we'll have to do it, I think, at some point maybe. I don't know.
May have to look at another boat.
Hey, you're gonna have to be tight right against it. Yeah.
All right, Nolan. It's probably gonna try and push him into that limb right there. Just try and push him off, you know. I don't want to push it with my boat too much and beat it up, but yeah, it looks like it's dragging his boat quite a bit. I was kind of afraid of that.
Try to spin it around? Or you think it's going to make it different?
Do you feel like you got it, or is it? Do you feel like you got it, or is it dragging you around?
Once in a while when it goes sideways, it's like this right here.
Yeah.
I got to really turn it to get it. How bad do you think it's going to be on this curve? I mean, I'm going to have to get on it. Just y'all be ready to.
Yeah, I say we just keep going and get into a better spot.
Yeah. You think I'm too close to it? Do I think I need to leg rope out to the last loop? Or is that worse?
I mean, you ain't got that much more rope. I don't think that's gonna help much.
It is kind of pulling the front down a little bit, ain't it?
The front of the boat, not bad though. It's pretty level.
That's the big stump up there, I think. Yeah.
All right, we got past the bad spot. We're just easing along now. Skylar's gonna scout for us and mark these logs just under the water. And we'll just be kind of cruising alongside them in case they get out of control. We can just correct them. river's way up right now, which is good because it puts these logs under the water, but there's also a lot of current, so we're having to fight that.
When you need to push against it, that way it doesn't get in those stones.
All right, we're tied off on this side pretty tight now, and Jordan's tied off on that side. It's really just a control thing at this point.
We can't find.
We got plenty of power to move it. We just got to get it where we want it. We don't want to get it hung up and stuff like that and damage this thing. We could snatch a barrel off of it or rip up this nice looking side. Scott did a really good job putting this thing together.
Yeah. You got one that's probably directly off the front of my boat right here. Just up here, and then one to the right, a little further out, but I can't see either one of them. I'd say just hug the right side of me would be the best bet. I'm driving over where that stump is right now. There's a big one here on where I'm at too. That's probably here a little bit further up. I think I see it bubbling up right here.
Everything's going good still. Normally this would be a bad spot, but looks like most everything's under the water.
Making sure there's no stuff that you would hit over here. Let's put it up there. Right, hit that stuff so we know where it is. Dad, the best way to do it is to grab one of those ropes and you jump out the front. Everything else after the video, we got to make it look good.
Okay. You bring the snow machine?
Yeah.
We need you to go put your boat on a stump, you know, so we can stage it.
Yeah, that way we can stage it like, oh, you ran the stump.
Oh, he sunk his boat.
Oh. Came out of nowhere. I'm not, no, I'm still faster. Oh, shit.
Boo boo.
It's okay. Quit messing around. Get on steering.
It's like Indiana Jones walking in.
Yeah, we just need swords.
Yeah. And you're under horse. Throw your life jacket. Hey, just throw the life jacket on.
All right, we're having to steer it a little bit now. The current's picking up in these bends, but I've got my boat tied pretty tight to the side, and I think Gordon does too. So whenever we need to, we can just power around and get it pointed the right direction. It's gonna be our tightest bend. Basically the river just bends right around, like you can see it right through there.
Yeah.
That's
Gordon, you probably want to slow down and just let him haul it in there.
Yeah, I'm completely throttled out.
I went out there for a while. My doggy's dead. Oh, I'm sorry.
What if that's long enough? I'm gonna pull up right here, and then maybe that's long enough we can throw you that in.
Yeah. I got it. You got this one. I got this one. Hey, you alright? Let go of it, man. You alright? Let it go. Alright, hey, I got stop. I got this. Y'all okay? Everybody alright? Dad, do you have all digits? Keep coming this way. Keep coming this way. Here, we have to push that off of that tree.
Ethan, can you hook that one on the D ring right there?
Yeah.
From the.
Which does it matter which
No,
side?
doesn't matter which end.
Do you want this to go in between that?
Well, it's actually gonna probably go to this tree.
All right, they got it in place. They're just setting up the standoff poles and the cross ropes right now. Scott built that thing. I don't know if I told you, but he got those pontoons as they were on the way to the landfill, hauled them back to the house and built that whole houseboat himself. So it's brand new. Some of the windows and the doors and stuff are out of a camper, but he's showing us stuff for sure. Well, that's all that hard work he puts in, you know.
Wrap around your tree and pull it back that way till we're about straight out, I guess, ain't it? Is that how we do that?
Yeah, you want them straight.
Go around, pull the whole boat back that way. I feel like I'm way farther out than you guys.
You are way out.
Mm-hmm.
Those are 20-foot poles, just like you got.
You're tied to the trees, though.
Tied to the tree also, and he's further in.
Oh, that pole's a little farther forward than this one, if that makes sense.
Yep. All right, you want to snug them down right there?
Yeah, it looks good. It's inside. Yep.
These are only bolts I got, so let's not. I think I might.
No, you what was the other ones in there?
Yep. And if you just want to slide it, dude, it ain't gonna hurt it.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty slick. So this is gonna float his walkway.
Yep.
Since he's got a pretty long run.
It's my theory, anyways. I've never tested it, so.
Yeah.
There's ratchets and wrenches right there. They should be like the 7/16 or something like that. Alright, now go down. Don't go super tight though, just snug it, because these things snap off easy. I brought extras just in case, but.
The same ones I use.
Yeah. Actually, I bought them because I saw you used them.
Oh.
So I bought these. And then we can't drop the pins in the water because I don't have any extra pins. So technically now we should be able to tie a rope to this, throw it over there, and they help pull it around.
Yeah,
and bolt it to this. Then we can walk out and just put the pins in.
Yeah.
With the other one.
Theoretically, you should be able to walk out.
Walk out and put this on, the other piece on.
Is it gonna just float out like that?
All right, who's going to see if that's going to hold the weight?
You got a rope I can swing to it? Hey, I'm right here. I'll get on it.
Is there another?
Try it. I mean, it might be safer to come from this end. Here.
Oh, that's all right. Look, he's got it.
Oh wow, that thing's bowing though.
Here, Ethan.
Once
See
this
if I
is
can get
on.
up there. I want to see how
Y'all
balanced I
think
am
we
on
should
it.
pull the houseboat? I mean, them pins are gonna have to line up. He's going swimming, y'all. Watch this. Y'all got the video?
Yeah.
It's pretty. Yeah,
No, you got it, Scott.
Go for it, dude.
Come back. Right now I know.
Skylar's going swimming, y'all.
Here, hold my beer.
You all right? Yeah, hold my beer.
Oh, wow.
Hold my beer. Watch this.
All right, well, the question is, can y'all slide that? And we do this with it, because these are the only pins I got right here.
Only set. It goes in the water. Auger's got to get it.
You got it? I got to let go of it, because I don't think it's going to work.
Be hopeful, not doubtful.
Probably have to go out on each side and put another 2 barrels.
Make it 2 barrels wide instead of 1 barrel wide.
That's all right. Just go ahead and see where it goes. Yeah.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. This barrel's floating too high for it to reach the ground.
Oh, that's okay. It's a drawbridge.
Yeah, but I mean, that's what we're gonna bust it off right there if we keep pushing down on it.
Pull the screws out of the hinges.
If you put this pole to this bigger tree, that would suck it in a little bit.
Now that or to that tree, it would pull me in.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. Because this isn't even where it's going permanently. I'm moving up in front of those.
Okay.
I want to get away from that thing.
Yeah, me too.
The bad thing is I can't even walk out there and drawbridge this thing up.
Would it be better just to fold it up and rework that later?
A rope, I could do it. And, I need to tie a rope on that end and y'all throw it to me. What do we got?
Ethan, that rope you're standing on is unhooked. The one with a hook on it.
Yeah. Here, we can get this right here.
What tree you got this on?
This boy's going swimming right here is what he's
He's
fixing.
look.
to do.
No one has. Oh,
There you go, see?
Jump on the boat, jump on the boat.
You ain't walking.
Here,
You got your
got
phone
it?
in your pocket?
yes, waterproof. Oh.
Yeah.
I got a towel on the house.
But we may have to pull that rope to pull the slack to get it to go.
That weight started moving.
Yeah.
No, and I knew somebody was going to end up in the water.
You had it.
I had it until the dang old ramp started.
Did it hurt you to break your back, broke your damn leg?
All right, there's the
You
shade.
got it, man. It's all you.
You ain't got your new phone in your pocket.
No, I ain't. I got Skip's radio though.
drown another one in.
Yeah. Don't kill another one of his phones.
He's like, I was prepared.
It's all you, man. Use the force, baby. Use the force.
It's all about balance.
Yeah, cat. Think cat-like reflexes. No,
1 foot. 1 foot ahead of the
you're
other.
all, man. Yeah, think kung fu, bitch.
Fall left and don't hit the pole.
You there? You're over. You're halfway there, man. 50%
I'm
you.
feeling it. Shut up!
You're going swimming, dude.
No, you got it. You got $30, man. $30. That's a. He's there, baby. He's there.
Oh, he did it.
Oh, he's got it. Here it is.
It is treacherous,
Oh, it's about to blow
to say the
off.
least.
Well, yeah.
Like, I'll just keep it.
Oh,
You better hurry.
Woo, it's a leaving. The $20 is leaving.
Oh, this
Yep.
is not fun. Coming this way is the one that's not fun.
Got it. You were halfway before.
You mama.
I don't know, maybe they did change it now.
Ethan doing
Well,
what
when
he
you
does
look at
best.
the brochure, you can see cedar log and coon bottoms, and it cuts off just past coon bottoms.
Hand on the wieners.
This side of the river. 'Cause that was one of ours.
I'm probably just going to build one more box and then turn them both like this.
All right, we got it moved. went pretty smooth. Smoothest one we've done, probably. Most smooth, actually. He's got it all set up like he wants. He's gonna have to rework the walk board a little bit. It's a little bit flexy, you know. Other than that, he'll have to check on these poles, make sure they're going to be sturdy enough, and then, you know, adjust as the water goes up and down. All right, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thanks for watching and liking and commenting and everything. We just talked to a dude who watches videos. He pulled up out here while we were wrapping up. So thanks for watching again. You know, we'll see y'all next time. This is Gail Lewis, store number 10, signing off.